Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, I am going to talk about very interesting topic, which is how do you can create a WordPress theme from the scratch. So we are going to create a WordPress theme from the scratch. So as you can see, when you go to the appearance and the theme, so here you can see that the default themes are listed over here, so which is provided by the WordPress, and that currently active theme is 2024, as you can see. And just because of that theme, guys, you can see the look and feel of our website, or the our website is looks like this. That is, it's using that theme files and folders, whatever it in there by default, though that content is going to be you going to be seen by here, as you can see in this in our website. So similarly, when you activate the another theme, which is the 2023, so if I activate that theme, you can see the all the content into that themes, all the coding and all the everything that they have coded by default there, that you can see in front of your here website, in front of you in your website, as you can see. So by in short what exactly the theme is, the WordPress theme is the heart of our website, as you can see. So without the theme, the WordPress is nothing. Okay, the and as you can see, similar topic, similarly I am just activating this another theme, which is the 2022. And guys, we are going to create the heart of our website. That is, we can you can see that as yes, a very important topic is this. We are going to create our own theme, as you can see. So yes, this is the sample page, which is the default page which is created in this theme. And here it says that powered by WordPress. Yes, it's a WordPress default theme, so it's like it's mentioned here, so into that coding kind of thing. So now in the today's tutorial, I am going to tell you about, we are going to create our own theme, which is named as Code with Wiki. So for that purpose, you have to go to your you have to for that purpose you have to go to your website, where you have website folder. So basically I have installed it in the localhost, and I have started the XAMPP server and XAMPP Apache and the MySQL. So now I am going to that folder, which is this PC localhost C. And into the localhost C, I have into the XAMPP folder. That is, there is a htdoc named folder, is htdoc named folder is there. Into that, when you go to the our website, here is our website folder, just go to there, into the wp content, and into the themes folder. Here you can see that the default themes folder are there, which is 2024 2023. And here you have to create a new folder of our theme. Just right click on it and click on new folder, and let's give the name as a Code with Wiki, which is our theme name that we are going to create. So here you can give any name of your choice. So now I just open this folder into the Visual Studio Code, which is just a editor. We are going to edit the content, we are going to edit the content of our theme here. Okay, so in this editor, so there is very important, let me create a one file, which is index.php, which is the very first file of the theme, which going to be run very first. And next one is a style.css. Here you have to create the style.css file, which is the default theme css, which is applied to all theme, complete theme that we are going to create. So into that style.css, into the comments, you have to write something. You have to specify the name, theme name, author name, and etc things. So for that purpose, I opened the style.css of the 2024 theme, and here I just copied the commented part here. So I am going to change this. I just copied here and just paste it here into the our theme style.css file. So here I just name write the theme name as a Code with Wiki. and theme URI. There is a theme name, theme URI, author URI, description of our theme, and everything is there. I just clear that all the content, and I'm going to write the theme name, which is in our case, which is code with wiki. Theme URI, I just writing something like our website name, which is a localhost. Author, I am giving my name here. Author URI means it's I just keeping it as a website URL. And description, the theme, the code with wiki is the theme which is created I just writing like that, which is created made by the me, and for the education purpose we are going to doing that. So just this is the theme description, guys. So next one is a require at least 6.4, that is the version name, um, PHP version, exactly. And tested up to means whenever the code is testing, you can see. So up to this version code has tested like that. This is the this is very optional thing, guys. Just the very important thing that you have to write is the theme name and the author. Here you can see theme name, theme URI, and the author. That three things are very important to write. Other things are there are optional. If you can, if you don't write it, so it can be okay. So if you are having license, so you can add it, list it here also. Yeah, if you are having text domain, so you can also write that here. Version, you have to write version 1.0, which is the first version that I am going to create of my theme. So I'm just writing like that. So adding the tags, if you have to add the tag to our website, so your website, your theme, so you can write it here. So by doing this, let me tell you, let me add some basic CSS, that is which you can add the basic website, which is margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, and box sizing, border box, which is the basic CSS. You can see to app, which can apply to any website, as you can see when you create any static website from the scratch like that. So I just writed that code here. And by just doing that, as you can see in front of you, into this folder wb admin and themes.php, when I refresh the page, yes guys, you can see that our code with wiki named theme is appear in front of you here. So here you can see that the name of the of theme is there, and the author name and the description is printed here you can see that. But one thing is missing, guys. There is a no screenshot. uh, there should be the screenshot of our WordPress theme. So for that purpose, I am having a screenshot file. As you can see here, you can see that I am having the just screens. Here I am having the screenshot of our website. So which I, here you can see that. So I and this image, this png file, you have to copy. I'm just copying that file and just pasting it into the theme for our theme folder, which is in the xampp doc, and codewithviki.com. Yes, into that wp content, into themes, and to the code with wiki, and just paste it here, guys. So one thing is to remember, guys. Here the screenshot name is should be screenshot.png. So because this is a standard of viewing the theme like that. So if you don't name it as like this screenshot.png, so it will be not visible here into the WordPress. This is the standard that you have to follow. So now when you refresh the page, as you can see, Yes, that screenshot is going to be appeared here in front of you. And when you open this file, as you can see, yes, it so this is the our basic information about the theme that we have added here. Just now, and just I want to activate that theme just that we have created. So let me go back to the dashboard. Okay. Okay, now just I am just clicking on that activate link. Okay. When I activate that, the WordPress is using our code files that we are coded here into our themes folder. So when I just refresh the page now, so let me show you what happened. So there is nothing, guys. There is nothing because we haven't added anything, any kind of thing into our website. So into the index.php file, there is nothing. So if I write something here, that will be directly appear in our theme. So I just added the just template, as you can see, the starter template, which is html, and here I just write it the hello, and my name is there, hello Vikrant. So, and when I go to the browser and when I refresh the page, as you can see, the content what I have written is appeared in front of you guys here. So basically here in this folder, into this theme folder, you have to create a structure like another themes in the website. So what exactly that structure contains, so let me tell you guys. There is a header file, there is a footer file, which basically, you can see footer of website, the default page.php file, archive.php file, which is the list page of the blog post, which is the single.php file, which is the single or detail, which is the single or detail page of or any of the blog post into the WordPress. There is also functions.php file. So let me create that files one by one, and let then I will be telling you. Okay, so header.php, just footer.php file is there. So default page.php file. Now when you create in any other page, so you can see this is the default page.php file, which code is running if you haven't added any template part here to that page. So this is the functions.php with the into the theme, guys. There is a very important file is the functions.php, where we add the content, and where we trigger the WordPress hook according to our requirement. Okay, so let me create that file functions.php. So here you can see that I added. So now what remaining is archive.php, which is basically the list page of the blog. Default when as you can see, the WordPress is a default blogging software. So this is the archive page. Archive means list page of our blogging blog websites like this. And single.php, which is the basically a single page, which is the single or the detailed page of our blog post. So here I just added some, let me add some info into that, so that it's you can understand. So into the archive page, so as I have written here, as I telling you, it is a blog list page, and into the single.php, as you can see, which is basic single or the detail page. Then this is the function.php file, which is very important file. As I said, here in this file we write a code, we write a each and every functions which we require to run, which we require to uh, basically apply logic or something where that we needed. So all the functions and calling the, like that, calling the WordPress hooks, like that. So into the page.php, which is the default page.php file, which extended by which WordPress runs very by default, which runs by default. So by default, WordPress is going to be run this file if there is no page into our website, like that, something. So into the header.php, as you can see, here you can add the header of the website. So here you can add basic that is the here you can add that part which you are repeating everywhere in your throughout the all pages, as you can see. Uh, as you can see, the into the to the static website there is the header and the footer. So add similar as that, you can add that here dynamically. So dynamic, basically, to make your website dynamic, make your website dynamic, so you need to just add that thing, so that you don't have to write a copy and paste code in every page, as you can see. So this is footer of your website, okay. So now I just closing all that files, and let me show you guys. Here you can see that, let me create a like a header and footer. So for example, here you can see that. So let me link, one more thing is, guys, this is the basic HTML template I've written. But what about the CSS? To add the CSS to that theme, I have created the CSS named folder and JavaScript named folder. And into the CSS folder, I am adding a custom.css file, as you can see, uh, which is our theme CSS file, as you can see. Here you can add your custom CSS other than the style.css, other than into the style.css. Basically, style.css is applied to each and every page in your website, like that. And into the here you can see that here you can add your custom CSS code, which is required for our website, for our theme, which is the theme CSS file are there, themes custom CSS file. So let me create a JavaScript file also, which is the theme JavaScript file, which we need if our website is like uh, e-commerce or something, or there is animation, or there is a dynamicness, front end and dynamicness as a front side of ours. So so basically the structure I have created. So if the about the images, so if there are the images in our website, so that I created the images named folder here. And here you can add the images that you required for your website, for your theme. So so in this way I have created the basic structure of our theme. Here you can see that the basic structure of our theme is going to be created here. So so in this way you can create, in this way you can create a basic theme. Basic, I have just introduced you about the basic structure of the theme and basic work on basic topic. So I have just I'm just doing the header, and I just separated the header and footer. Let me tell you, let me show you that now, as of now. So I just copied the header part, that is up to the body tag opening. And if and there must be the navigation bar and everything also into the header. So I am currently not having, so I am not doing that. And just cut that footer part, and I just pasted it here into in which currently it contain only end of the body tag and end of the HTML tag. This is the basic structure of the static website. As you can see, just for the information, I just adding the footer content like heading here. And into this just I am adding, this is the header content like this, header, header and house. Yes, if our website having the navigation house nav bar navigation link, so that we can add into this header. So let me show you the output in the browser. So as you can see, so this is the basic structure that I have explained you. So that's it for today's guys. So I have basically explained you about how exactly the theme can be created. Let's meet into the next video, and let me create a beautiful website. That is, I let me convert our static website design into a dynamic WordPress theme. So until that, goodbye, guys. Keep supporting to the Code with Wiki. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys.